Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have come up with one more simplest logic building problem, that is even odd count. So the problem is you will be given 6 inputs as arguments, in which the first 5 inputs are going to be integers and the sixth input is going to be a string, and you are supposed to return the number of even digits in the given input if the sixth input is even string. Similarly, you are supposed to return the number of odd digits in the given inputs if the sixth input is odd string. So this is what the problem is all about. Here you can see I have picked up two of the test cases, and in example 1 you can see the first 5 inputs, that are integers, are 8, 9, 8, 5, 6, and the sixth input will be a string, and in this case it is even, which indicates that you are supposed to return number of even digits among the first 5 integer inputs. So you are supposed to return the output as 3. Likewise, if again you can look at example 2, if we consider the same 5 inputs 8, 9, 8, 5, 6 with input 6 being odd, we are supposed to return 2 as the output because there are 2 odd digits in the first 5 inputs. So this is what the problem is. It's very simple. 6 inputs will be given, in which first 5 inputs are integers, and sixth input will be a string that can be either even or odd. If the sixth input is even, you are supposed to return number of even digits. Otherwise, you are supposed to return number of odd digits. I will be showing my solution using both Java and Python, which I am doing since past solutions. So this is my Java solution. Let me quickly run through the code. So here I give even, and there you can see we are getting it as 3 on the same numbers. If I give odd, so you can see you are getting it too. So it's very simple problem. So in the placement exam you can ignore these lines, that is from line 5 to line 10 of my code. Sorry, line 11 also you are not supposed to read. There you will be getting these inputs as arguments. So you start writing only from line 12. So count variable I have taken for counting the number of even digits, I for looping purpose, and all the 5 integer inputs I am storing it in a array, and then this particular block is counting number of even digits. So I am just checking if input 6 is equal to even string, then I am printing the count, which I am just incrementing only whenever even digit is identified. Otherwise I am just printing 5 minus count, because in the problem statement what I have seen, there are 5 integer inputs given, so I am just subtracting count from the 5 in order to get the odd count. Suppose if you are given an array of numbers, then you can just use here, instead of 5 you can just use it a dot length. That would be much better, rather than using a constant. Whatever might be the number of arguments, you can just use a dot length. So this is the Java solution for returning even count or odd count based on the input 6 string. The same logic we can apply using Python as well. So this is my Python solution. So here I am using the same logic, only the syntax changes. Let me first run through this code. So here, so there you can see again we are getting it 3 for even, and for odd also we got it. So as said, you are not going to read the first 2 lines because they are meant for reading input, which you are not going to do in the placement exam. So it's just these 8 lines that you can write it for getting all the test cases passed. So here I'm just directly reading to a list, and I'm running this particular loop as long as the list exhausts, and for each and every element of the list I'm just checking if it is even, then only I'm incrementing the count, and if input 6 is even, I'm printing the count, otherwise I'm printing 5 minus count. Otherwise you can just replace this constant with length of L. You can just replace it with length of L. That would be much better. So in the placement exams you are going to replace this print with return statements. That's the only modification. You can just do it here. Here system.out.print must be replaced by return statement. I hope this solution is already optimized, and you can check out for other logic building problems in the description box. I'll come up with one more logic building problem in my next video. Thanks for watching.